And welcome back, everybody. Joey here with Joey's Garage. We're outside working in the garage. It is a beautiful day. I'm loving it. So I figured I need to get a project done. It is something I have to admit that I neglected for about 75,000 miles. And that is an air cabin filter. I got this car back in 2009. It's 2018 now, so that's about 9 years I've had the same cabin filter in my vehicle. Haven't had problems with it. It's nothing that I'm doing because I have to, or you should do, but I need to do this. So let's go ahead and do it. It is super easy. Couple screws, you lift the trim hanging out right behind me, pop that open, put in the new cabin filter, see if there even is one. I've heard that some Escapes or Ford vehicles, they don't have one to begin with. They have the slot there where you can put it in, but there's nothing there. So let's go ahead and check it out, see what a 8-9-year-old cabin filter looks like in a Ford Escape. Alright, first things first, we got to remove these 4 plastic screws. Looks like I'll have to move this a little bit too. We'll get to that bridge when we get to it, so let's get these out. So now once I open that up, there's going to be 2 tabs right here. If you can see that, they just pull right up. And you can open up this area. And as you can see, the rumors were correct. There is no cabin filter in there, nothing. You can see the place for it. You can see the size. Come back over here. It's going to fit my cabin filter I got perfectly, but there's nothing in there. So let's go ahead and put one in. And there we go. Easy, super fix. It took me longer to set up the camera, lights, get the perfect angle, switch it around, come up with the intro, outro, setting up everything. It's super easy. 5 minutes tops, 10 bucks at the local car store, and I have a cabin filter now. As I said, my car didn't have one. So all that air coming from the aircon and from the heater, it's pumped into the cabin, but there's no filter between it. So that's going to keep out the dust, pollen, all those different particulates that are going from into your cabin pretty much. So easy fix, easy thing to do. You should be changing it. This says every 12,000 miles. It's about 75,000 miles on this vehicle. Didn't even have one. So go ahead and do it. Easy, easy, easy. So as always, thank you everybody for watching. Everybody out there, everybody I know you. I see those comments. Comment on this video. What do you think? Comment. Do you like it? Do you think we should even have cabin air filters? A lot of vehicles don't even have them. Is it good, bad, ugly? Let me know, because as I said, I was neglectful. As with that, thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button and notifications, and you will know when I have this new video coming up and anything in the future, because I'm keeping rocking and rolling. I'm keeping it hot over here in Joey's Garage. So ride safe, drive safe, and keep at least 2 wheels on the road.